Hi, sweeties. I'm just about to run into Aldi and do a little organic grocery shopping. Yeah, let's look at the prices and how we can save money on organic products at Aldi. Come on inside with me. But first, please, like Sweet Savant, give me that thumbs up. Oop, just got my nails done. And hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. Let's get into it. Remember to bring your quarters when you go to Aldi for cart rental. That helps them keep prices low. Grab the circular. It's also online. Take a look at that before you get to the store so you can plan your shopping trip. And see that salad mix, spring mix is on sale this week. Get a little baby spinach too. Conventionally grown strawberries are always at the top of the so-called dirty dozen list of fruits and vegetables with the highest amounts of pesticide residue, so it might be a good idea to buy them organic. If you want the rest of the list, just go to my blog. I'll put a link in the description box. Aldi has a wide variety of items in their organic arsenal right now. I think there are over 200 different products. Remember, prices will vary across the country and depending on when you watch this video, so they are subject to change. They might not be the same as what you see here, but you can find a wide variety. Look at that. You get your bone broth, your pasta, organic if you want. This was surprising to me, the different kinds of organic sugars. Coconut sugar, turbinado sugar. I use that in my peach cobbler recipe. I'll put the link above. Light brown sugar, organic. Do lots of baking with light brown sugar. They've got organic cane sugar. That is so tasty in coffee. Or cane sugar and coffee are a match made in heaven. You can get your powdered sugar organic for frostings. I was very surprised at the selection. Aldi's got a nice line of organic breakfast cereals. You get your oatmeal, your granola, your flax cereals for a nice healthy start to the day. And you'll notice these are all from the Simply Nature line that is exclusive to Aldi. And it's a mix of organic and non-GMO items. So make sure that you check the label carefully. That, if you're strictly looking for organic, you see some of these, like the sweet potato chips are not organic. The green pea crisps are not labeled organic, but they are non-GMO. While the corn chips here, the blue corn tortilla chips, are labeled organic. So, and here the multi-grain tortilla chips also are not labeled, are labeled organic. So just be sure you look at the label. Get your Simply Nature organic salsa too. Even the wine, you can get some organic wine if you like. I mean, if you're going to get organic grapes, you might as well get some organic wine while you're at it. The selection, of course, is going to vary by store, but they had a Pinot Grigio as well as a Prosecco organic at the Aldi in my area. Now, Aldi has a twice as nice guarantee. They will give you a refund and replace the item if you are not satisfied with the quality of the products. And that's just on the food, not on alcohol and not on like the housewares, things like that. So check out their website for more details on the twice as nice guarantee. Grab you some organic soy milk if you don't do dairy, but they've got a large selection of organic dairy products, your whole milk 2%, your organic butter if you need, put that on that organic bread that you picked up earlier. But I was really happy with their selection of organic dairy products. They've even got the organic eggs. Grab a dozen while you're there. Aldi also has that Simply Nature line. They've got some organic ground beef. Like the meat products will vary store to store. They also have another line called Never Any, which is not organic, but it is, like no antibiotics, no hormones, that type of thing. So check both of those lines out for the type of organic or non-GMO foods that you're looking for. I haven't tried the spinach sausage yet, but that's going to be my next buy. Ooh, they've got the cheeses. Don't forget your cheese because, oh, you got to put those in them eggs. Get that cheese eggs there. Mozzarella. They've got like the Mexican blend cheese. They do have a really decent variety. Shredded cheese. They've got the sliced cheese for your sandwiches, lots of variety for you. Get your organic yogurt. That's great with that granola. I'm going to head on out to the checkout. I forgot to bring my bags with me, so I'm going to buy a bag. That helps keep prices low as well. And we took some of our organic products and made this tasty salad. I got that chicken Italian sausage, organic. That was very tasty. A little avocado toast with organic eggs, organic avocados. Really very nice. Well, that was my trip to Aldi. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that thumbs up and notification bell, subscribe, and have a delicious day.